Good afternoon, everybody. It is December the 5th, 2018. It is 1:25 in the afternoon. I'm going to go over these earthquakes, and then I'm going to take a nap, guys. I've been up almost 37 hours now. All right, here we go. There was a 5.0 Santa Cruz Island region at 386 miles in depth. There was a 5.5 New Caledonia at 6.1 miles in depth. There was a 5.2 Loyalty Island at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.7 Afghanistan Tajikistan border region, and that was at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 5.0 upgraded by USGS to a 5.1 Southeast Loyalty Island at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 5.1 upgraded by USGS to a 5.2 east-southeast of Loyalty Island at 6.2 miles in depth. These originally started on EMSC, then USGS, EMSC, yeah, and USGS upgraded them. I still haven't found this one on USGS yet. There was a 4.2 Mexico at 37 miles in depth. I'll keep checking. That was on EMSC app. There was a 5.4 near the coast of central Chile at 24 miles in depth, and that was on the GFZ app and the Chile Earthquake Center. USGS upgraded that to a 5.5. There was a 3.3 Oklahoma, and right now they've still got it at 6.2. That's all I have for right now, guys. I'm going to take a nap. I'll have the alarm set for anything 5.5 and above. So if it goes off, I'll get up and do a report for you. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Okay? Thumbs up for you guys. Have a great afternoon. Be safe.